30, 33 East Devant. We closed it up. They kind of putting the sockets in now. Looks really, really, really nice. They putting the wall covers, the wall sockets in for the electric. They did a great job on the paint. We got to put the baseboard down and start doing the floors, the top floors. But all the switches are going in. All the plumbing is done, and light fixtures are kind of going in. GFIs and light fixtures. The wall covers. All is going in. Light fixtures at the top. You probably switch these up at the ceiling, on the ceiling for a different type of light. But the panel is in, it's being wired. And hot water tank closet. Of course, after the framing is done. Then after the framing is done on the closet for the hot water tank, we can kind of close it up with a vent door. But it's looking good, it's coming along, got still quite a bit to do, but it is coming along. We should be ready here soon. And for as electrical is concerned. 33 East Devant, signing off.